Moscow. Huy, hindi henyo word.
Okay, Diane, Sarah henyo word. Relax.
Okay.
Paglabas, go.
Ready? Go.
Tao, bagay, hayop, lugar, Pilipinas, NCR, Indonesia, Thailand malapit sa Pilipinas, Europe, Greece, Italy, Rome, Spain, Greece, Denmark, Finland, Sweden, Finland, Switzerland, Sweden, Greece, Italy, Spain, Paris, Vatican City,
Sinasabi ko.
Vatican City. Europe siya. Oo. Venezuela. Hindi. Europe. Europe talaga siya. Austria. Belgium. Na-practice natin. Oo. Na-practice natin.
Relax, Sarah. You can do this.
Europe. Finland, Sweden, Denmark, Switzerland. Two words. Finland. Sweden.
Relax.
Dali lang. Letter S. Letter M.
Okay, letter. Bawal yun.
No. Relax, Sarah. Sabi ka lang.
Netherlands.
O, bawal ang letter.
Switzerland.
Letter lang. Letter lang to.
Sige, sabi lang na sabi. Kahit ano, walang mali dyan. Tatamaan mo rin yan.
Ito kulang sa diin eh.
Hindi naman Canada to. USA.
Nag-usap.
Russia. Europe.
Sayang. Nasabi na yung England 2 beses.
Sabi England, ba't di mo diniinan?
No. It's okay, Sarah.